Hi there, students. Pretext. Okay, a pretext is a false reason given for doing something in order to do something else. It's a contrived or made up reason or objective, so that gives you the possibility to do what you really want to do. It's like an excuse. The idea from this video came from the word guise from yesterday, under the guise of pretending one thing, but actually you have another objective. Very often we use this word pretext on the pretext of, under the pretext of. Under the pretext of being a reporter, he asked me lots of questions. On the pretext of being a reporter. He's always looking for a pretext to talk to pretty girls. He wants to pick them up, but he needs some sort of pretext to start up a conversation with them. Okay, this is a reason that you give why you're doing something or why something should be done, in order to hide your true purpose. So, under the pretext of taking the dog for a walk, he went out so that he could smoke a cigarette. Okay? So, under the guise of taking the dog for a walk, on the pretext of feeling ill, he went home from work to watch the match on TV. Yeah, so he pretended he was ill, but the pretext he gave the reason for him going home as, oh, I'm ill, I can't work. I entered the building and got past the security guard on the pretext of visiting a friend. So a pretext, it's a made-up reason to cover a hidden agenda. Governments very often use pretexts to introduce new legislation. So they have a different reason for doing it, but they present an acceptable reason that people will agree with. Okay, this word comes from Latin, praetextere. Prae, before, and textere, to weave. Textere, this comes from textile. To weave is to make a piece of textile, to weave together. So you weave together a plan before doing what you want to do. So, what about formality? I think I'd probably give this word a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, although I might use the word excuse. Yeah, with the excuse of doing one thing, he did something else. Certainly good for semi-formal and formal things. So, a pretext, a false reason made up to cover your true objectives, what you're really trying to do. Yeah? So you get everybody to do something, but you've got a different objective in mind. There you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pretext.